Is your Jyoti teacher. Children, from the previous session, we have learned lesson 7, how the alphabet was made one. And now in this session, we will see the continuation of lesson 7 and 8, how the alphabet was made 1 and 2. See children, so previous, Tuffy and her father, Tegumai, both they are creating some letters. So now what they have created, we see. So now Tuffy asked her father that what was water in their language. Then he replied as Ya. It means river too. Here river too means here water. They call water as Ya. Then she asked that what we call bad water that gives us fever when we drink it. Then father replied as Yo. So it means the water which they don't drink, they called as Yo. He also said that Yo is bad water. So Yo means here bad water, which means they won't drink. But So means food cooked on the fire. It means they have created. Ya means river water. It means they can drink. And Yo means bad water. It means they won't drink. Because of that, they will get fever if they drink. And So means food cooked on the fire. Then Tuffy said yes. She also said dinner is ready. If they scratched a picture of snake and egg on a tree means they should come home. So whenever they scratch it out, they draw a picture of snake and an egg on a tree means by looking at the picture, they should come home early. Then Tuffy's father Tegumai described a new word, show. Show means drying poles on which they hang their hides. Already see in previous, I have explained you that the drying skins, it means the animal skins like leather, which were they hang, that means show. Then she asked her father to make a new noise and she gave a word she for spear. Again, they have created a word she, which means spear. Now see here what they have created. They have created two words here, show. When show means here, drying poles on which they hang the leathers. And she means spear. Her father had a spear, no? That one. Now see here, Tuffy and her father were excited about their sound pictures. So both are creating new sounds and pictures. So they were excited to create more and more. Again, Tuffy asked to do some more sounds. So Tuffy asked to make some more sounds. Then Tegumai said Shu. Shu means sky. Then Tegumai had drawn Shuya. Shuya means, it means sky water. What we call sky water? Rain. So just then a drop of water fell on her hand. When her father drew these letters Shuya. Shuya means rain. Just immediately what happened? A drop of water fell on her hand. Then it is raining, she told. Tuffy got up and danced because of the rainwater. Even her father also got up and danced too. It means both have enjoyed this. See, while they are talking, the rain, it started. Then she said, if it was not raining much, you must come down to the river. So when she told her father that if it was not raining too much, we have to come down to the river and draw some words regarding these words. Then her father wrote as Shuyalas Yamaru. It means sky water. It means sky water ending, come to the river. When Tuffy told that whenever the rainwater stops, he should come to the river. For this, she asked her father to write some words. Then her father wrote as Shuyalas Yamaru. Shuyalas Yamaru means here he should understand by looking this sky water ending. So he has to come to the river. Here see, when sky water ends, it means rain stops. He has to come to the river. Next, and she said, "Ya las," means there is no water in the tank for mummy to cook with, and she had to go and fill the water. Actually, her mother cooks food, no. So they had a tank. So whenever the tank water, it means it ends. There were no water in the tank. Then what she has to do? She has to understand that Yalas means no water in the tank. So she has to bring water and fill the tank. She las means that her father's spear was broken. She las means her father's spear was broken. So here they have given one more word, Sheelas. It means her father's spear was broken. Here we have learned two words here. Yalas means she has to fill water in the tank. And Sheelas means that her father's spear was broken. Then Tuffy said that when her father was cutting a plank with a sharp tooth, it sounded rough and unpleasant like It means, see, when sound comes here, when they have written it means her father, when he was cutting a plank with the sharp tooth. Previous we have seen that while he was cutting a plank with the sharp tooth, it sounded rough and unpleasant. It's not pleasant to their ears. Then she can write Here see. He was cutting the plank with sharp tooth. You can see that clearly. In this manner, they are preparing more and more words. Next, when her father was writing the words continuously, Tuffy said to leave a space between words. So, when her father was continuously writing the words, Tuffy said, don't write immediately, just keep a space between the words. Next morning, when Tuffy got up, she saw Yalas written on the wall of big stone tank outside the cave. Already it means, Yalas means, as we have learned in previous, what is that? Yalas means they have to fill the tank with water. It means water is ending. So she filled the tank with water from a bark basket. Bark basket means a basket which was made of tree bark. Later, Tuffy ran to find her daddy on the river bank, and Tegumai told her to draw all the leftover sound pictures. For T sound, she said that her name and daddy's and mummy's names began with that sound. So now, what happened? Tuffy ran to find her daddy on the river bank, and she told to Tegumai, it means to her father, to draw all the leftover sound pictures, like the remaining alphabets. So T sound, she said that her name. It means her name starts with T, her father's name and mother's name also starts with T. So they should draw a family group holding hands. So when T means a family group holding hands. So she asked to draw that. And now they have drawn pictures for Ye, a twiddle. A twiddle means twist. B for sacred holy beaver of the Tegumai. Here see, beaver, it's a small mammal. So they feel it as a sacred one. So sacred beaver of the Tegumai, for that B they have to write. And N for nasty sound. It means which disturbs our ears. So that sound means N. They drew the big pike's mouth for the greedy greedy. G sound. It means, see, big pikes means nothing but a fish, see. For this, they have drawn for G, big spikes, mouth. It means a fish mouth, see. Pike, this is a pike fish. How its mouth is there. In that manner, they have drawn G. And for car sound, a spear. Whenever car sound hears, they should draw spear. And W for the Wagai river. So already they have a river here. So for that W, whenever W means, it indicates Wagai river. So children, in this manner they have completed the alphabet. So Tegumai and Taffy, even they don't have the letters properly, but they have created and they have drawn some pictures and they used for their communication. So in this manner they have completed all the alphabet. Now what's the main concept of this lesson is, with continuous work and improvement, ideas can be transformed into inventions. So if we want to invent something, we have to work for it and we should have some ideas, and that idea should be kept in execution. So in this manner, new things can be found. So now children, today's assignment is read lesson 8, how the alphabet was made to. Page number 77, 78, 79, 80 and 81 in textbook. Once again children, read page number 77, 78, 79, 80 and 81 in textbook. Thank you children.